Hello, thank you for joining me today. Um, Welcome to my office, such as it is. I've got something special today. Normally, I don't do unboxing videos because I don't really see a whole lot of value in it. You know, you just open the box and there's the thing, and it's out of the box. So what? But in this case, I got something a little bit different, straight from China. What this is, I'm going to open the box as I talk. What this is this is a JKOO / SINOSWORD special edition katana for their 15th anniversary edition. What it is the company made 15 special handcrafted swords to celebrate, obviously, their 15th anniversary. And I've got one of them. I don't know which number I have. I'll find out in a few moments here, I think. But the photographs of them are on the SINOSWORD Facebook page. You can go there and you can see all 15 laid out. All I know is I got the one with the bowhide, probably number 1 through 5. I'm not entirely sure. Who knows? I'll find out in just a moment. So that's what this is. So it was $99 plus shipping, which I thought was a fair deal regardless of what it is. From what I've seen from the photographs, it should be something special. So I'm kind of excited. It just got delivered like a minute ago, and I'm still here at work in my office, so who cares, right? I'm the boss anyway, so it doesn't matter. So opening the box, we have our nice little styrofoam box. And it comes with what looks like a handwritten certificate, which is pretty nice. It's in Chinese. Oh, it says here I've got, wow, this should be interesting. This is very cool. This is very cool. Very cool, because apparently I got number 1. I'm number 1 on the 15th. Now, nice packaging. I'll give it that. The shipping was very quick. It only took about 6 days from the time they actually shipped it. All right, so we got a little styrofoam in here, that's fine. So let's unwrap it. We got this nylon sock, nothing special there, but I do like these. They do keep them from getting scratched up. So this is it. Let's see what we got, huh? All right. Well, so far so good. All right. Okay. Yep. This, I didn't really spend too much time picking the options. I really didn't care at the $99 price, but I did get the leather wrap. Brown leather wrap, which I have, and I got the dragonfly motif, which they got that correct, and I just picked option 1 for the saya, which looks like they got correct. So far, very nice. The handle's wrapped in plastic. I'll unwrap that in a little bit. I don't think I'll be able to get these pegs out just yet, but it doesn't matter because it's signed and everything. So let's see what it looks like, huh? Oh, that's a nice touch. I just noticed that too. We have the little inserts in there as well. Very nice. Very nice so far. So let's have a look, shall we? All right. Well, first of all, slight bit of rattle, not a big deal. I never really cared much about that anyways. But it does fit good. It does fit good here. Really nice fit. It's good, actually. Okay, so as we draw it out for the first time, oh yeah. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so my first impression, literally just opening it now, this is excellent. I can see right away the fit and finish around the tsuba, and everything is really, really nice. I don't know if you can see a good picture of that. This was definitely hand fitted. They spent some time. They evidently spent some time on this. The Hammond is freaking beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous. Let me wipe some of this oil off of here and maybe you can see it better. I was a little concerned because the Hammond is kind of a tough thing. If it's too thick, it won't be a good cutting sword, but this, I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, you can go on the website, on their Facebook page, and check number 1, and that's this one here. You can see it's a really nice wave really beautiful wave pattern. This is going to be an excellent cutting sword. I was a little concerned when I ordered it whether it was going to be more for show or more for use, but I can see right away this is one that can actually be used. It's like freaking gorgeous. There's like little wave pattern and then like some shark fins popping up here to there. I don't, maybe you can see that a little bit better, but this is gorgeous. And the way it feels pretty good. Actually feels pretty good. I can't swing it too much in here, you know. Secretaries might not like that, but feels good. Feels good in hand, you know. From first impression, I will unwrap it the rest of the way later and take it out, maybe do a little test cutting with it. Polish looks really decent on it, really nice. That's another thing I don't care about that much, which is a surface polish, because I like to use my swords, and as soon as you use them, you get them scratched up, so the polish doesn't really mean a whole lot to me, but it looks like they took a little extra care than they normally would on this, which is kind of what I would expect for an anniversary sword. They wanted to make it really nice, and the edge feels pretty sharp. Pretty sharp here. Let me see if I can get a volunteer. Yeah, have a volunteer. Let's see if we can. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right out of the box. Right out of the box. I think this is nice. Yep, this is a doable blade. I don't feel anything moving or rattling in it. God, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. I'm like really stoked, really happy. I got a functional Hammond. I can take this sword, I can use it, do some cutting with it. Yeah, this is nice. This is really, really nice. Really nice. This is a good $100 I spent. Good $100. Really good. Even put the little hand on there, #1. So I'm happy. I am really happy with this thing, actually. So in a few days, I'll post a follow-up video. I'll cut some milk jugs with it, stab through some carpet, maybe kill some pool noodles, something of that nature. You know, find a volunteer watermelon or two. I don't know. We'll have some fun with it. We'll take it out and we'll do some cutting and see what's going on. But my first impression is they really spent some time. They spent some time doing the assembly. There's no doubt about that. This isn't normally what you would find for, definitely not for a $100 sword, and most likely not even for a $300 or $400 production sword. They definitely spent extra time on this, no doubt about it. Everything's really, really nice, really nice, first class, first class. So anyway, so that's my impression. Thank you for joining me. I do have to end up doing some work today because I have to pay for stuff. So have a great day and be safe. Remember, there's nothing out there that's worth you getting injured over, especially when you're playing with swords. They are dangerous weapons, so do be careful with them. All right, with that, have a great day, and I'll see you in a few.